Space is full of mysteries, and some facts are so mind-blowing, they'll change the way you think about the universe. Here are 10 space facts that will leave you speechless. 1. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus rotates so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one day, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. That means if you lived there, you'd celebrate one sunrise every 243 days, longer than your entire year. 2. Neutron stars are unbelievably dense. A sugar cube-sized piece would weigh about 1 billion tons. That's because these stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars, packed so tightly that just a tiny amount equals a mountain on Earth. 3. There's a planet made of diamonds. It's called 55 Cancri e, about 40 light-years away, and scientists believe its carbon-rich surface could be made of solid diamond. Imagine an entire planet made of jewels. 4. In space, metals can weld without heat. This is called cold welding. In the vacuum of space, two pieces of the same metal touching each other can fuse as one because there's no air or contamination between them. 5. There's a huge water reservoir in space. Astronomers found a water vapor cloud around a black hole that holds 140 trillion times the water in all Earth's oceans combined, 12 billion light-years away. 6. Saturn could float on water. Saturn is the least dense planet in our solar system. If there were a bathtub big enough, Saturn would literally float. 7. Space has a smell. Astronauts say after spacewalks, their suits smell like burnt steak and welding fumes. This comes from high-energy atoms reacting when they return to the spacecraft. 8. Moon footprints will last millions of years. Because the moon has no wind, no rain, and no atmosphere, the footprints left by Apollo astronauts in 1969 will remain there for millions of years. 9. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. There are about 200 billion trillion stars in the observable universe, more than every grain of S. 10. A spoonful of a neutron star weighs as much as Mount Everest. This takes the earlier neutron star fact to the extreme. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 4 billion tons, which is close to the mass of Mount Everest. This happens because of the intense gravitational compression inside the star. Which of these space facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments and follow for more amazing science.